As our world's population continues to grow fast, making enough food to feed everyone is getting harder. At the same time, there are fewer people working on farms. To tackle this problem, the farming machine industry has come up with new machines that can work on their own. These machines either help farmers or do the work instead of them. In this video, we'll look at 10 amazing machines that are changing how farming is done. The DJI Agras T30, crafted by the foremost drone manufacturer globally, stands as a pinnacle in autonomous agriculture, spraying drones boasting a 40-liter capacity. Leveraging DJI's cutting-edge digital agriculture solutions, this drone achieves a remarkable spraying capacity of up to 40 acres per hour. Its implementation leads to substantial reductions in fertilizer usage while concurrently enhancing crop yields through the application of data-driven agricultural practices. Equipped with dual FPV or first-person view cameras, the Agras T30 ensures unimpeded monitoring of both front and rear perspectives, facilitating seamless flight management. Additionally, its integrated bright searchlight augments nocturnal visibility, broadening the scope of operations to encompass nighttime endeavors. The Agras T30 embodies a fusion of innovation and practicality, catering to the evolving needs of modern agriculture with unparalleled efficiency and precision. The Farmdroid FD20 is a robot that can plant seeds and remove weeds all by itself. It helps farmers save money and protect the environment. By using GPS, it puts seeds in the ground exactly where they need to be, so farmers don't have to spend time pulling weeds. Plus, it runs on solar power, so it can work all day without needing fuel. It has 4 solar panels that help it stay powered up. And since it doesn't produce any extra carbon dioxide, it's good for the earth. The Farmdroid FD20 is a great choice for farmers who want to farm in a way that's good for the environment and saves them money. The Agrobot E-Series represents a revolutionary advancement in agricultural technology, serving as an electric-powered robotic harvester meticulously engineered for the delicate task of gathering strawberries. Crafted by Agrobot in Spain, this marvel of innovation operates autonomously, harnessing real-time artificial intelligence to discern the optimal ripeness of each fruit. With its array of 20 fully independent arms, each adorned with a camera, the Agrobot E-Series selectively plucks only those strawberries that align with the exacting quality standards set by farmers. By addressing the persistent challenge of labor scarcity in strawberry harvesting, this groundbreaking solution promises heightened efficiency and productivity in agricultural practices. Dyno, created by France-based Neo Technologies, represents an autonomous electric-powered weeding robot tailored for large-scale vegetable crops. Equipped with a guidance system amalgamating data from RTK, GPS, and various sensors, Dyno maneuvers fields autonomously with a precision range of 2 centimeters. Proficiently detecting crop rows, it adapts its tools to weed in close proximity to plants. Operating duration ranges from 6 to 8 hours contingent on soil conditions and tool utilization. Dyno emerges as a proficient and precise solution for farmers combating weeds in their fields, furnishing efficiency and accuracy. The AgSeeds Agbot is a self-driving tractor designed to help farmers work better and take care of the environment. It uses a special online tool to plan the best routes and manage its tasks. This robot tractor can carry up to 8 tons at the back and lift up to 3 tons at the front. It can also use tools that regular tractors use. It can adjust how wide its tracks are, and it can sense how heavy its load is. It even has an optional electric power feature. Plus, it's really good at avoiding obstacles and staying on course thanks to its smart steering system. Overall, it helps farmers be more accurate and efficient in their work. TED, created by Neo Technologies, stands as the pioneering autonomous 100% electric high-clearance machine designed exclusively for mechanically weeding vineyards, eliminating the necessity for herbicides. This groundbreaking weeding robot addresses the shortage of agricultural labor, mitigates the toil linked with specific farming chores, and curtails the dependence on chemical substances. Fueled by lithium batteries, TED can traverse at a velocity of up to 5 kilometers per hour, maintaining an average operational pace of 2.5 hours per hectare. It furnishes vineyard proprietors with a sustainable and effective approach to weed management. The FarmBot Genesis offers a revolutionary solution for individuals keen on cultivating crops independently. This autonomous all-in-one farming machine is tailored for universal use, enabling users to effortlessly grow food. Through a user-friendly web-based interface and the Open Farm Online crop database, users can efficiently design their farms and devise optimal planting strategies. The robot operates autonomously, executing a range of tasks by attaching various tools to a universal tool mount. From seed injection and watering to weeding and plant identification using a camera, the FarmBot Genesis streamlines home farming with its diverse features. By leveraging technology and automation, this innovative system not only enhances convenience, but also maximizes efficiency in agricultural practices. With the FarmBot Genesis, the prospect of homegrown produce becomes more accessible and achievable for enthusiasts at any skill level. The Agri IC Series revolutionizes farming practices with its autonomous implement carrier, boasting an electric drivetrain aimed at slashing running costs, mitigating soil compaction, and minimizing carbon footprint. Equipped with a front-mounted 3-point hitch, boasting a robust 2,000 kilogram capacity and a mid-mount standard CAT. 2 3-point hitch, this versatile machine accommodates a diverse array of implements. Comprising 2 distinct variants, the Agri IC Series caters to varying needs within the agricultural sector. The ICS-20E stands out with its fully electric drivetrain prioritizing sustainability and efficiency. Conversely, the ICS-20HD presents a plug-in hybrid drivetrain configuration, seamlessly blending lithium batteries with a 60-horsepower diesel engine to deliver enhanced power output when required. Both versions of the Agri IC Series signify a leap forward in agricultural machinery, marrying cutting-edge technology with practical utility. Whether opting for the fully electric model or the hybrid counterpart, farmers can anticipate optimized performance, reduced operational costs, and a conscientious approach towards environmental stewardship. John Deere, a distinguished leader in agriculture, has pioneered the development of an autonomous electric tractor aimed at mitigating the shortage of skilled labor on expansive farms. This cable-free electric tractor showcases a robust power output of 500 kilowatts, akin to 680 horsepower, positioning it as one of the largest high-power tractors within the industry. Its hallmark features include zero emissions and minimal noise levels, rendering it a sustainable and eco-conscious solution. Although currently in the prototype phase, this innovation signifies the impending evolution of autonomous farming equipment. By amalgamating cutting-edge technology with agricultural practices, John Deere's autonomous electric tractor heralds a future where efficiency and sustainability converge seamlessly in the farming sector. The Case IH autonomous tractor represents a significant breakthrough in agricultural machinery, strategically designed to tackle the persistent challenge of labor shortages in expansive farming operations. This innovative machine is outfitted with a sophisticated onboard system capable of autonomously charting optimal paths, leveraging terrain data and real-time information on the positions of other agricultural equipment. By harnessing radar, lidar, and video camera technologies, it adeptly identifies both stationary impediments and moving obstacles, promptly halting operations to avert potential hazards and uphold safety standards. By seamlessly integrating advanced automation, the Case IH autonomous tractor heralds a new era in agriculture where cutting-edge technology assumes a pivotal role in driving efficiency and productivity. Its ability to navigate complex environments with precision while mitigating risks underscores its transformative potential in revolutionizing farming practices. As such, this autonomous marvel stands as a beacon of the future, embodying the convergence of innovation and practicality in the agricultural landscape. The landscape of agriculture is being reshaped by the relentless march of innovation in machinery. Autonomous machines are not just a glimpse into the future, they are the here and now, offering tangible solutions to the pressing challenges faced by farmers worldwide. From streamlining harvesting to promoting sustainable practices, these technological marvels embody efficiency and sustainability. But our journey doesn't end here. We invite you to continue exploring the frontier of agricultural innovation with us. Like, subscribe, and engage with our content to stay updated on the latest advancements in the field. Dive into our other videos to discover more about the transformative power of technology in farming.